City Power ibambisene nesebe lezabasebenzi, idyunivesithi iUNISA kunye neziko lezoqeqesho iAfric Training ukuhlangabezana nentswela-ngqesho kulutsha ngokuseka inkqubo yoqeqesho lokuxhotyiswa kolutsha. Ethetha kumcimbi wophehlelelo lole nkqubo ngentseni namhlanje eGoli, ingqonyela yeli ziko lombane uChifularo Mashava uthi eli phulo lijolise ekudaleni amathuba emisebenzi kubantu abatsha nokunceda ukuphelisa ukusetyenziswa gwenxa kweziyobisi ezilokishini. Okanye ke babalelwa kwi-1,200 abantu abatsha ekulindeleke ukuba baxhamle kule nkqubo.
Idolobha laseGoli livule uhlelo olusha lokuthuthukisa amakhono entsheni engasebenzi kuleli dolobha ngokubambisana neCity Power, iUNISA kanye nomnyango wezabasebenzi kuzwelonke okuyi-UIF. iCity Power imemezela ukwethulwa kwalolu hlelo okuhlela ukuthi kuhlomulise abantu abasha abayi-1,200 abangasebenzi abaphakathi kweminyaka eyi-18 kanye nama-35.
We jumped into this partnership when UNISA Enterprise proposed it for us, simply because the founders in the struggle of youth development. So the founders having opened our gates whichever way we could at that point in time, to say we do have a responsibility of ensuring that we do our part to deal with the high unemployment rate in this particular country. City Power, since its inception, has been giving bursaries to students in the electrical engineering sector in particular.
Ukuze bahlomule kulolu hlelo kubika ukuthi bazoba ingxenye yesifundo sonyaka wonke sokuthuthukisa amakhono eUNISA kanjalo nase-Afric Training College.
As UNISA Enterprise, we are really excited to be part of this transformative program. Unemployment, especially among the youth, it's very high, as other speakers have mentioned. And it's important that all of us come together and play a role to provide and create opportunities for the young, to get them ready for employment, and also support them in creating and managing their own businesses.
Abazobamba iqhaza abangama-400 bazoqeqeshwa ngogesi. Bathi inhloso ngqangi yalolu hlelo ukuthuthukiswa kwentsha. iCity Power ithembise ukuthi kuzoba nemali ezokhokhwa nyanga zonke kulaba abazobe bebambe iqhaza.
Youth unemployment rate in South Africa is more than 40%, which shows a continued struggle for the young people to find employment. Program director highlighted that this program is not about training, but is to drive impact. That's why the UIF has committed funding towards this program.
Lolu hlelo luyisinyathelo emkhankasweni kahulumeni waseGauteng ngokuhlinzeka ngamakhono nolwazi lomsebenzi kubantu abasha kubese kukhuthazwa intsha ukuthi isijwayeze ukwenza izifundo zamakhono ukuze bezokwazi ukuziphilisa. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseGoli.